Hi, my name is Romano. What are the characteristics of a DevOps environment? When we are talking about the characteristics of a DevOps environment, then one of the first characteristics which we have is throughput. We always want to have a high throughput so that we can push value as fast as possible from development into production. The second characteristics which we have is that we have a clear view on the whole pipeline, which goes from the idea over the development through the CI/CD pipeline into production. And we want to have that everything that we do is completely customer-centric. This means also that our definition of done is customer-centric. Then, of course, we would like to have small and frequent releases as a characteristics of a DevOps environment so that we can ensure the throughput and that we can push value as fast as possible into production. And we want to have a clear feedback loop back from production into the development or to the business so that we can react on things that happens in production or that we can get the customer feedback and then continuously improve ourselves. The characteristics also from a DevOps environment is automation. We automate what we can automate, but we have a great focus on automation to ensure that we can push value as fast as possible into production. And last but not least, we focus on outcome and not on activities in a DevOps environment. So these are the characteristics of a DevOps environment.